Which one tastes better?
Which one better?
Which one tastes better? Small ones or big ones?
The small one is better than the big one.
Disgusting, man.
That's something, right? So who's trying it?
Thấy cho mỗi người cắm xe đó.
Hơi chà.
Thấy xem xe ca.
Sạch, mắt sạch.
So are these bees or wasps?
Chào cắm xe.
Mô hơi chà thì phải dùng dầu chà thằng này và hơi vào cái tiền đầu.
What are they, bee or honey bee or wasp?
Bee.
Not honey bee. That's not a honey bee.
Not honey bee.
Look more like a wasp, right? The paper wasp? We're good. Yeah. Good. Salty. I have some. Oh, I think a little bit. Okay, thank you. Like shrimp. Thank you.
You see.
Mà cô cảm sạch à?
Yeah.
Có thể mắt rất sạch.
Thái đâu rồi trong sân.
Here, you should try some, hon.
Uh-oh.